from this to this. Before I start flooding you with information, if I go too fast, please just pause the video or play back what you missed. But without further ado, let's get started. So I bought a new monitor and I find it great, but the default monitor stand takes up half my desk and it's preventing me from fully using my mousepad. So I bought this monitor arm which supports 13 to 38 inch monitors, and it had the right VESA mount size as well. On Amazon US I found it for around $70, and on Amazon UK I found it for around £50. Affiliate links will be in the description. Using them will help out my channel, so thanks for the support. It's also ergonomically better in use because there's countless of adjustments you can make in, for example, height and rotation. And it also works with the gas spring, which can smoothly elevate the screen in comparison to other monitors that elevate in steps. You can install the monitor arm with or without extension. This is based on your own preference. Adding the extension doubles the reach of the monitor arm. This is without the extension, and this is with the extension. This is before, when the monitor stand takes up half of my desk, and this is after I installed the monitor arm, which gives me complete freedom over my whole desk. This is a desk with the monitor stand, and this is a desk with the monitor arm. As you can see, the screen can be very easily rotated. It does wobble a little bit after adjusting the screen, but this is only temporary and does not affect the experience after adjusted. Here I'm moving the screen down and pushing it backwards, adjusting it to my preferred position. The pros and cons. You'll have a completely free desk, which gives you a lot of space to work with, especially if you have a small desk. No monitor shaking. With a regular monitor stand, it moves the screen around a lot when I move the desk, which sometimes happens accidentally. So with the monitor arm, it's much more sturdy. Maneuverability of the screen. There's much more movement allowed because of the monitor arm, opposed to the default monitor stand where I couldn't move anything. Cable management. The cables are now brought out to the back instead of going straight down below the desk, which is more tidy. The cons. Alright, so first off, you're gonna have to drill holes in your wall, which not in every place you can do. The wall has to be suitable and you need a little experience to drill at the right place. If not, the monitor arm can be applied shiv, which isn't ideal. The need of tools. You need a power drill in order to make holes in the wall. You need a basic Phillips screwdriver. I'd also recommend using a better level gauge because the one got in the package is not that great. I don't think it's really accurate, but you can always use it if you have nothing else. Alright, taking off the screen. The monitor arm is mounted on the wall, and if for any reason you want to move the screen to another room, it takes more time to disassemble and it's not that convenient. But in my case, I'm never going to move the screen, so for me it's not an issue. Those are the pros and cons I can think of. If you know of any other ones, please let me know in the comments. So for the tools, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a drill that's capable of drilling in your wall. Alright, so there's 3 bolts, 2 on the top and 1 on the bottom. Here's the instruction for the level gauge to the left and the drilling instruction to the right. That's the back of the monitor where the monitor arm is installed, in my case with the 75mm spacing. Here's a little more information about the VESA mount. These are just easily installed by clicking them on. And it's looking pretty clean now. I'm showing you the cable management here. The 2 clips are holding the cables in place, as you can see on this picture. And here's a comparison to a monitor that doesn't have a cable management. Some general information to the left and the included items to the right. And this is how the extension part is installed. Alright, so that was my review of the Arctic W1-3D monitor arm. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below and I'll try to answer them. I've also linked the monitor arm in the description and the monitor itself in case you're interested. I usually post gaming videos, so if you like games, check out the channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.